The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Tim, Ray, Todd, Brian, Deepak, Ken. Guys, good morning. Very good morning. Coming into a relatively flat trade. Kind of par for the course over the last, good morning, guys. John, Chris, Yannick, good morning. Kind of par for the last couple of weeks. Good morning, Michael. Mark. Dow futures are up a whopping 10 points. Good morning, Patrick. S&P futures are down 1 point. NASDAQ's down 29. Russell's up 9. Kind of a mixed bag here, guys. VIX futures are down again. 0.1%, 2102. VIX cash is down 2%, just over 2% at 1828. Good morning, Paul, Francis, Tony, Becky. Same to you as well. Okay, Becky. Randy and Sue, good morning. Gold is interesting. Good morning, Jay. Marco, good morning. Guys, one of the things, good morning, Jacques. One of the things that I would strongly encourage is we're getting a pretty good morning trade. Maybe not necessarily with pre-market, which is always sketchy, but we're getting a pretty good morning trade. The first, 30, 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and then we just get choppy and sloppy. If you guys have made your money, I strongly encourage you, like many of you have yesterday, take the money and run. Just take the money and run. Some of you guys, and again, I'm not speaking of anybody in particular, but I'm trying to curb some bad habits. Some of you guys will trade infinitum. You'll just keep throwing risk on. You could be up $1,000 and you want to take more trades. Remember, guys, this is a business, right? It's all about making money, period. As you can see, I've got Pam's levels on the charts. We should get a bounce off this 50 to 55 level, I would think. Again, we're back visiting 750. I don't think we're going to blow it. If we do, we could come 711, 10 area. I think 50 will bounce it if we get down there. On the NASDAQ. ES, we just bounced 22 area, but point. Hang on, fellas. Okay, sorry about that, guys. In any event, let me get some bots on here. Let me get gold on. Got gold on. I'll check news in a minute, guys. And bonds are kind of just floating around. Let me quickly check news. I know we have crude inventory today. I think we have Intel after the close. I could be wrong. Nothing. Just crude, no news. I do think that Powell speaks today. I thought I saw that. We do not have Intel today. Nothing of any interest after. As you guys probably know, Netflix missed. Janet Yellen speaks this afternoon. All right, so no news. He does, Don. He does. In any event, guys, good morning. If you're here on trial, welcome back. Hope you guys had a great afternoon. I did put a trade into member Skype yesterday. First off, I left you guys with a long trade yesterday, which was if the NASDAQ got down to that 750 level, it was the long. That was good for better than 50 points. And then yesterday afternoon in member Skype, I put another long in. We got first target, which is about 25 points. I do believe we will get a bounce off this 50 level. We didn't quite hit 50. We hit 51, of course. We'll see what we can come up with today. Let's do what we do and get on with our day. All right, guys, I will quickly read the disclaimer, or slowly read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks, and you must be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to the trade. Please trade according to your own accounts and your tolerance for risk. If anybody has any questions, feel free to holler. So I'm trying to get first target, guys, at the unfinished auction at 87.4. Unfinished auction at 87.4. Come on, buyers. They're buying 7.7, 68, 69, 81. Look at this. It hit my target, no fill. Target fill. Got it now. Got it now. Target off. Target filled. Let's see if we can get a new breakout. Let's see if we can get a daily breakout. 89 is where we're going. This is probably about where it stops. I could be wrong. We could go to 96 if you guys want to run one. Sellers here at the 95. Crude's going to get dumped again. 3,000 sellers. Yesterday's API data was an increase. Yeah, right at Pam's level, 90 is what I'm trying to get to. Going to have to blow the high of the day. NASDAQ bounced nicely off that 38, off the 68% level. It's a nice trade now. 12 handles. Okay, Keith, good for you. Got some sellers showing up as we would expect at the 95. He thinks they're going to get run over. My stop is at break even, but it's way too tight. I can tell you that. We're going to have to get this candle to close above the 95 to get the high of the day. If you guys want to take your ticks, real stop on gold, if you guys want a bigger move, is probably 84.2. You're risking 20 ticks per contract. Here's crude at 61. Look at that. It just got smacked again. No bounce in sight for crude. Maybe off of 95 on CL. Got 143 buyers here with 2 block buyers. Somebody bought 20, somebody bought 48. You got sellers here, 20 and 21. So buyers at 3, sellers at 4. NASDAQ puked. NASDAQ crude would be what looks like a great buy at 59.40. I don't know if it comes there, but 59.40. And NQ is oversold. Got an unfinished auction here on the bottom. Sellers here with 29. Got 50 buyers with them, 67, 77. They're selling 88. If we break out above 88.7, so an 88.8, which may be the high here, it is. This can rip. If it breaks the high, it could rip. There's a ton of buying. You can see the resistance here at the second standard deviation. Got a lot of sellers right here, 88.1. A lot of sellers at 88.1 as well, 88. Come on. I don't like the unfinished auction at the bottom of this candle. And the sellers are really trying here at 88, 88.1. Crude bounced off the whole number. Come on, gold. Let's get back up to 88.3. If they get this to 88.3 with some buying, you got 162 and 160. They're hitting 88 and 88.1. We want to maintain the 95, or else we risk a pullback to 86. I'll allow for 1 or 2 ticks below that unfinished auction. Okay, now I want to see it bounce back up. It closed the auction. And it looks like it's going to pull back to the 95. Right where our stop is. If you guys, I'm going to take ticks. All right, I'm out. I'll look for another long. Okay. It may hold, but that's right where our stop was. NASDAQ's getting tortured. It's pulled the 95 up. We should get a bounce here off of 21. But this could blow through the 95% as well after a bounce. NASDAQ's coming down to 700 area is what it looks like. There's no short here. We're not shorting bottoms. If ES breaks through 4110, it's at 16. Watch out below. Let me take a look at some stuff here, fellas. Let me look at CL. Let's see where we can get a bounce on CL. CL to me looks like it could come down to 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Basically held 2 standard deviations, Pam's blue level. But 60 bucks is what crude's looking like. Let me look at gold. 85 should hold gold if it pulls back. 85. Maybe 85.3, 4. Yesterday's low was 41.10 on the ES. A break of that, we probably see 02. You guys good on gold, right? I didn't ask. You guys good on gold? Okay. Buyers now back at the 68. If this can crawl back above 54 or so, 53, NASDAQ, it's got a shot of going back up to 89. ES bounced right at Pam's level, blue level. Which I don't run. I mean, you look at these stops, 171 points, but this is a 240. First target would have been hit. Not looking good for the NQ, fellas. Today's Wednesday, dude. Rick, today's Wednesday. And gold's right back up. If GC breaks out, man, we're pulling this up though. Crude got one heck of a bounce off the whole number. Left a lot of sellers on the bottom. 240 seller here. Those are big numbers. 240 seller here. A 174 in the bottom. All the 208 here. 170, 216. It's a heck of a bounce. I would expect it to fail here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, it's a hell of a bounce off the whole number, off the green dots. Let's see if we get a drop back down. I'm not opposed to taking a short. And I think this is probably, I mean, look, negative delta 3,600. They bought 675, about 800 and change back up. Where is my dog? It is inventory day. Yeah, I think we come back down to that 13. We could break into the low. Were I watching, we'd have been long here at 17, which is where I think we come back to. Yeah, you guys know what's that mean? LL. My Ludwig levels are wrong. On which chart? That's what I got. Everything? They're all wrong? I don't know if Pam is in the room. Yelling at the screen works. I've tried that. Neither just trying to make deals with God. That doesn't work either. If we get that bottom, guys, we could get a quick, blast. They're selling the living daylights out of this, but I'd really like to see us break that whole number. We're really trying to hold this bottom 0, 2, 3, 4 area. Another block seller here, 26 contracts sold. Big seller was left on the bottom at 61 bucks. So what I'm going to do is just put the stop at break even and leave it. If it goes, it goes. Looks like it's trying. Got a 99 buyer here at 06 that it's going to have to sell through. 07. We got almost 700 sellers in this candle. 650. So you got buyers 638. You have buyers 600. They're buying them here. 221 at 9, 180 at 10, right at the 95. Sellers now trying here at 9 and 8. This is your little hand-to-hand combat right there. We're holding this 99 at 7. There it is, through 7. Now, sellers should get them here, guys. Sellers should get them. They're trying. One tick lower high. There it is, new daily low. We're going to have to sell down through 87, and this could come a wallop. Maybe 87. We're going to have to get down through 87. We're holding Pam's bottom, but I do not think it holds. Look at these numbers. Maybe for a bounce. There you go, guys. 30 tick. Okay, Pam's levels match mine. All right, Ray had me scared. Thank you, Pam. Anybody short crud? Anybody short crude? This guy. All right, fellas. All right, so let me tell you, we just held support at 94. If we break her level here, target is 60.16. That 60.20 is a good target if we break this bottom. We got to blow the bottom. Okay? So if you're short, you have two choices. Let me give you your options before I go to breakfast. Real stop is 48. Real stop is 4.8. You might get away with 4.2. $60. If we blow 95, if this goes, your target is where mine is, 60. It could come to 60.16. This could easily bounce back up to 32.33. Again, if we blow the 94, I think it's over but the crying for crude. Sellers coming in again. Got to blow this blue level and the low. If it blows again, I think it's over. Got a lower high in here. I mean, this could be a big trade, guys. Come on. Still holding 94. Come on, bust that level. I think they're going to, come on, sellers got them. Come on, dog. Kill them. Block sellers all through here. 26, 30, 168 to 137. Some buyers at 99 and 61. But we are holding 94. I do not think it holds. Come on, one ticket, it isn't going to help us. They got to blow this thing. Come on. Kill them. Just kill them. Look at all the sellers. We're at 5,500 sellers. I would have no interest in a long. We're pulling the overhead down. Buyers are trying here, 99 and 61. You can probably drop stop to 4.2. We're holding the blue level again still. Can probably drop stop to 4.2 if you want. If you want to give it an opportunity. All right, guys. I'm going to breakfast. I'll be back. Both gold and crude winners in the pre-market. Some of you may be at your daily goals. Think about what you're doing. Think about what you're doing. Okay? The only thing we have coming up today is going to be crude inventory at 10:30, which we'll pay attention to. $30, fellas. 30 seconds. Well, I better get some bots on, huh? Okay. We're off. Small buyers on the open. Above VWAP. Let's see what we got here, guys. Looks like we're going longs on the open here. Probably up to the 68 area. We should get 64, 5 area, I would think. There's no trade here, guys. I'm just talking out loud. Let them do what they want to do. Looks like we may go higher than that yet. We got good volume. We could go 89 even. I don't have an entry yet, so let it shake out. If you guys want the long is there. I'm not taking it. 64 would be your first target. Qs are pushing higher. Got a 248 buyer right at 60. They're buying again, point of control. 254, 56, 61. They're buying the point of control. Should get your 64 if anybody took that. And we got 64 to the tick. Only 4 cars traded. If we can get above 60, that 66, 67 area. Guys, I have targets at 801 and 819. Russell sold precipitously. We'll see what we get. I'm waiting for a pullback. Russell got thrown up and spit out. We're coming down on the NQ. All right. If anybody likes RTY, you got a bid trying at 72, 2, 3, 4. I will not trade it. You won't see it. Gold is bid. Gold is bid. We're just sitting right around VWAP again. Let it chop. Any trade in here is guesswork at VWAP. Here we come. All right. I'm watching. If we like the longs, it's got to come down. Looks to me shorts, probably down to that 10-11 area. And 300 sellers in this candle, buyers, it's mixed. I have no trade yet. Nothing. Nothing. ES looks interesting. Hang on, guys. No. 10-11 is where I see this coming. Maybe 17 stops it. Maybe. Just hit 31. We're losing all the buyers. Let it ping around. Back to VWAP. What a dog. Got to be long again. Long above VWAP. I mean, that's the trade. 64 would be a target. All right, I'll try a long on NASDAQ at 49.50.
Orders should order filled.
All right, there's 50. Nope. Come on, NASDAQ, get back there. If this doesn't go quickly, I won't hold it. Got sellers back in again. Come on. I've got buyers. Still have 600 buyers. 620, 610, 630, now below 600. All right, guys. Nope. Failed. Out. 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 I'm done. I'm done. The next long I have is 17. Pop VWAP twice and didn't go. 34 sellers here. You scumbag. We're just sitting here. Come on down lower. Come on. There we go. Sell it. Nothing. Can't get lower. Down to, we're losing buyers. Come on down. Russell went, if anybody took it. Come on. I'm looking at 17, but we're holding the 68. We may not come much lower. I don't know. 17 is the area that I'm looking at. Somewhere between 10 and 17. There we go. We're into the 95. We may bounce here. All right, there's 17. We should bounce soon. Jesus, not yet. We're oversold, way oversold. 97, 98. Way oversold here. Way oversold here. There's your bounce. There's your bounce. There's your bounce. I don't think we blow 98. Nice job, Francis. Nice job. You too, Rick. I mean, we're close. Come on, one more push down. Just one more. Here it comes. No, one more. Got buyers here at 03. Buyers at 03. All right, guys. Come on, a little bit. This is the area. This is it. Damn it. Too late. I'm watching order flow. That's it. The buyers came in at 03. There you go. I'll take it here, 29.5 if it's going to move back. No. We may make another press down. It's a nice bounce, though, from 03. Nice job, Kirk. If you guys are paying attention, you guys in order flow, especially the second group on Thursdays, you should know what I'm looking at. When I say buyers came in, big numbers, not much in the way of selling, 700 contracts. YM went, Russell went. I'm assuming they're punishing Netflix. I'm not looking at equities. Qs are trying to push higher. All right. See what we get on the next 15-minute candle in a minute and a half. I think we're done selling. We could push back up to 50. Next candle. I'm waiting for the next candle, 5 minute. Everything's gone except NASDAQ. There we go. Next candle. Come on. God, I want this long. All right.
Order filled.
Right here. No target.
Target filled.
Target 1 filled. That's it. Target 1 only. One target. Come on. Let's go. No buyers. Some buyers. Let's go get VWAP. Come on. Come on. Got to come through 38, 37.50. We get through 37.50, we should get that target. Trade them as you see fit. Come on, one more 30 range candle. We're good. Small buyers, small sellers. Sellers are winning again. Here we go. Come on, buyers. Come on, buy. There we go. Come on, buyers. You got them now. Come on. Come on, rat bag. Let's go. Guys, I missed this second target by 6 ticks. Should get it. There it is. Got it. Totally free now, fellas. Totally free. Okay? Let's get through VWAP and let's keep going. We're going to get stuck at 50. 50 is a problem. There it is, 50. Okay. Nice job, John. There you go, guys. Done for the day. Nice job, Frank. Nice job. Nice job, Kirk. That's my final target, 88. Nice job, Keith. Yeah, right. So they got me on the first whack. We got them on the second and then some. Let's go. Let's go, Dogface. 88, 89. We could get to 801, guys. We could get 800. Let's see what we get if we can break above here. There we go. Back to a green delta. Dun, da, da, da. Got him. Got him. It's almost 40 handles. It is 40 handles. Come on, push it up, baby. Push it up. We're pushing the 50 period moving average. Yesterday's close was 94. I expect that to get tagged. Got an unfinished auction here at 81.75. Nice job, Ray. Up 1965. Here we go. Work. I mean, I guess we could go to 801. Tag 95. We still have buyers. I have blue. It's blue, Gary, at 81. See it on the screen? I don't have green there, no. There you go, guys. We hit 50 handles. We hit 50 handles. Went over, there it is. Over 50 handle trade. Got the unfinished auction. It should go get just above the 95. All you need is one of these a day, guys. Thank you, Gary. Let's see if we can get 800. My target was 88, which was the high of the day, 89. It just got the unfinished auction. We're up better than 50 handles, guys. Almost 60. Nice trade, fellas. If you took the trade, you should be done for the day. I had a losing trade on the first pullback that I killed. Got him on crude, got him on gold, and excoriated him here. Utterly punished him on this one. The only way you're not making money is you're not taking trades, or you're doing something different, using different targets. That's okay, Keith. You made money. If you hit your daily goal, that's a good thing. We could get a pullback in here. On two contracts at 1,600, Keith. It's a nice trade. Nice job, Paul. Guys, if you're done for the day, you're done. If you hit your goal, you're done. You're done. Yesterday's close is 94, which I'd like to get, but we need some oomph here. All right, Paul. See you tomorrow, guys. All right, guys. I'm going to be out in a minute here.
Order filled.
Done. Done. I'm done. Unless pending a pullback. My target was 88, if you guys recall. I moved it out, and we didn't get 88. We got 86.50. I missed by 6 ticks from 50 handles ago. Go with golf balls. I still think you'll get it. I still think you'll get 801 also. Jesus, look at gold. Holy shnikes. So I would have gotten the 88. Nice job, Dana. Took the Russell. for 190 in the Mini. Took the Mini NQ for 295 and done. Let them pull back. Gold broke out. Shh. Yep. The micros, I'm sorry, micro NQ and micro RTY. $58 should hold if it pulls back. Off to the races. What does that mean, Nalufa? You couldn't. What do you mean? Should you change your computer? Tell me why you couldn't move them. I don't know what that has to do with your computer. Nalufa, what does that have to do with your computer? Yeah. He hasn't answered, so I have no idea. I'm already on to something else. So it sounds to me like your computer is freezing. I'm not sure what you're using for a computer. I mean, if it's something you bought it, no, I'm talking to Nalufa. If it's something you've bought off the shelf, it is not a trading computer. You went to, yeah. The problem with those computers are something that, in order to trade, you generally are going to need a custom built computer, like a gaming computer or something built for trading. You're asking your machine to process a lot of data, right? And what it's going to come down to first off is RAM. So you definitely want RAM. I'm getting there, Ray. I'm getting there, buddy. You want the fastest processor you can find, minus 4.6 gigahertz. You also want the highest resolution graphics cards you can get. Yeah, thanks. Because I'm such a tech guy. I mean, I know what you need in a computer. I don't know what any of it does. How's that? And last but not least, this is a little overlooked fact or a little overlooked thing. You wouldn't buy a Ferrari and put retreads on, right? We're going higher, guys. We're going to hit that high of the day and blow. You want the fastest internet speed you can get. So I'm running a gig on my internet speed. I'm running a gig. If your internet speed is slow, coupled with a computer which is slow, You're getting bogged down with all the data, especially around the open. Now that will generally resolve itself within the first 20. We're going to hit this and go. If anybody is still holding NASDAQ, you have a target at 801 and then 815. Anybody still holding? There's 801. 801 target hit. Anybody still holding NQ? Next target up is 815, then 828. Anybody still holding? You're welcome, Eli. Bank of Canada rate decision, which we don't care about. Yeah, I need one too. I have no entry. 815 is next, and then 828. Okay, Todd. Nice job, Gary.
Order filled.
Something filled. First buy. Oh, ES. ES is long on the 15. Nice job, Todd. Bank of Canada keeps rates on hold. Okay, first target filled, RTY on the bot. Now you guys can see I've got the auto trail on. I've got a break even +1. I'll probably get nailed on the majority of these trades because it's a small first target. All right. We're down to 200 net buyers.
Stop filled.
All right, out RTY on the runner. Yep, but we're going to bounce VWAP first time down. Crude is over 62. Unbelievable. Ahead of freaking inventory. It's up 30 cents since we looked at it.
Order submitted.
I'm sitting right on VWAP. I have rhythmic data. I mean, Todd, honestly, I addressed the issue yesterday with data. I'm no longer going to address different deltas, I'm not going to address it anymore. Held point of control. We came to 59. I wanted 56.
Order canceled.
No go there. No go. But we're setting up to go back up, I think, here, fellas. You think they slam crude on inventory, huh? As they would say in the South, might could. Might could. I'll watch it. Damn. I have no long unless NASDAQ goes through 87.5. I mean, you can take it here with these stack buyers.
Order submitted.
It's getting slower, fellas, just letting you know. Again, you could be sitting in trades. If you've made your money, think about what you're doing. Really like this off VWAP on the first attempt. First target is going to be 93.
Order filled.
93. 93 quarter hit 93.
Target filled.
There's your first target off. Second target is right below the lip here. 98. Missed by a damn tick. Literally a tick. You got to be kidding me. Missed by a tick. Come on, push this up. A tick. Scumbag.
Target filled.
I took it off. Missed by a tick. Got buyers, guys. This could break out. Got to.
Target filled.
Oh, ES guys on the bot got first target. ES on the bot got first target. Finally, told you it was 15 minutes. It's going to be slow as hell. First target off on the ES bot. Qs are rising. And we've got a runner in the NASDAQ if anyone took it. Anybody take NASDAQ, guys? 828 is the target I have if you guys want it. Okay, Todd. Okay, Marco. 828 is my final target. James, okay. Mark, all right, guys. Call it 27. Call it 27. 4 minutes to. Come on, break it out. Break it out, NASDAQ.
Target filled.
All right, both targets hit on the ES 15 minute. Okay, guys. Crude in a few minutes. Final target, 27. I have 28, but thank you, Terry. Thanks, Ken. Another 25 points. Bum, ba-da-da. Let's go get that 27. Guys, do I have anybody not making money? I mean, if you're not, I don't know what you're doing. But do I have anybody that's not making money? See if we can get that 27, fellas. Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Come on, give me 27. It's 8:27. I want to make sure we watch crude I'm sure it's some nominal 2 million barrel baloney. Somebody bought 34 cars at 17,000 net buyers in this candle was. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, zippity doo dah. Almost home. I've cinched my stop way up. It probably should be here, 03 half. Let's leave it at 03 half behind those buyers. We need one more push, guys. We should get that final target. Regardless, we've come close. $2,200 buyers. All right, let's go to crude. I would short crude at 62. If you guys are intent on taking a trade,
Order submitted.
62. Up similar to API yesterday, up 600,000 barrels. It's a miss. Small miss. Small miss. We're not selling here on crude. It's holding 72. If this breaks up above 62.02, that would be all right out on NASDAQ. That would be your long above 62.02. Right here. Call it 04 actually. So it's a 62 short, it's an 04 long if you guys want to take that trade.
Order submitted.
That's your long. Whoop, you guys can't see that. See you tomorrow, Chris. Or a 62 short. I mean, there's no real buying in here. This may do nothing. And the last time I traded crude on inventory day, I traded it 3 times and it kicked my teeth in 3 times. So think about it. If you have money, do not let greed be the determining factor here. Crude on inventory days is a pain in the arse. It is a literal pain in the arse. I will be quick to kill it this time. It's got to get through 9 and 20. $17 is where I have first target, but it just broke 9 and didn't keep going. This is why I don't like crude. This should have kept going. 21. This should get to 18, 19. Got small buyers in here. And then 47 will be my final target. If you guys want to take some risk off, take it off. Your prerogative. Trying to get 17 on the first target. We got to 14. And I will kill this trade. Like now. I'm out. I don't care what it does. I'm out. I'm out. Don't care what it does. It's pulling back. Didn't get to my target. I don't care. I do not like crude on inventory days. It's losing the buyers. Well, no. You just might have been early on it. I got an unfinished auction down here I really like. But the short is 62.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, watch NASDAQ again. If anybody is intent on one more long, if you guys want to try this one more time, you got ticks to give and you want to try this again,
Order submitted.
81 long. Stop is going to be 6-0. 6-0 is your stop. Think about what you're doing. I'm cautioning you guys over and over. If you have made your goal,
Order filled.
order filled on what? If you guys have made your goal, where are the cues? Look at what the cues did. Here are the cues. Right off the resistance that I drew. RTY is long on the bot. That's what went long. RTY is long on the bot. It's 10:35. This will be the last trade. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it.
Target filled.
I'm done. I'm shutting them off, guys. Bots are up 892.50. They're done. I'm done for the day with the bots. Up 892.50. Looks like crude wants to go to 50. Pulled back to 87. I have a target at 62.50 if anybody has the gumption, but I am not taking longs. But target is 62. What? Let me get out of here. Back to ES. If I don't get my entry, I don't get my entry. That's where I wanted it. I'm not taking anything other than that. All right, we can cancel that.
Order canceled.
Would have just gotten first target. Guys, do I have anybody that's not made money? Is there anyone that has not made money today? I'm not asking about daily goals. Some of you may not have gotten there. Is there anybody that has not made money? Or let me rephrase that. Do I have anybody losing money? I don't care about sim. No. Whether you've made money or lost money. Nice job, Brad. 3 times your daily goal. Come on, a little lower. We should get a bounce out of this. Right off these buyers in here. Come on. Oh, missed by a stinking tick. A stinking tick. Literally a stinking tick. Look at this, you dog. Missed by a tick. Yeah. Again, stop is 60. So think about what you're doing. It's a big stop, guys. 21 points. It's 400. It's $400 a contract. Look at this. Didn't get it. Did not get it. Would have been a decent little bounce, guys, out of that zone. It still may be worth something here if it pulls back, but trade as you see fit. Still got 1,200 net buy. Look at this. Would have been a nice trade. Coming up on 10 handles. Yeah. Oh, rat bag.
Order filled.
All right, filled now. Okay, looks like it's. Come on, bounce. Get up there. Come on, bounce back through the blue. One more candle, and there we go. Nope. Come on. I'm on the close. Not bouncing fast enough for me.
Order filled.
I'm out. Done. Well, I mean, I have specific areas that I like based on what I see in order flow, right? I'm out, fellas. This may still go. It's just not bouncing. I mean, again, this could drop all the way down to 63 and then rocket straight back up. I think you guys are good to 86, 7 if anybody is still holding. I just don't like when they hit the buy zones and they sit. See, here it goes. There's 86. There's 86, 87. Got 87. If you guys want to take 6 handles, I have a target at 801. But we're fighting now the 68% at 88. There you go. That was the right trade, guys. It was the right trade. Take some risk off, fellas. We're losing buyers. There's not much buying in here. Let's not turn a great day into a miserable day. Anybody that was down that should have helped? Anyone holding this trade? Anybody still long? Okay, nobody. Oh, okay, Michael. Just be careful with it. Careful with it, fellas. You could put your stop at 70. Because if it takes that, it'll come down to 60. Crude is quiet. We're coming into the top of the hour in 15 minutes, which is where, if we're going to get a pullback into the close of Europe, that's where we'll get it. I'll be right back. We had another exceptional day. There's your long, guys, above the 968 to the 95. You could take a target here at 97, 96.50 if you're long. I like gold for a long at 88 with a stop. It could come down to 85, 85 half. I don't think it does. Guess they're going to buy them. 84. Look at this. Buy them into the close. Okay. New trick. Guys, I'll be on Skype for my members this afternoon. I know everybody made money, but I won't do any more trades now until probably closer to 1:30. For my trial members, thank you for sitting in. For my members as well. Guys, be blessed. Tomorrow is Thursday. I will see you all at 8 a.m. Eastern. Again, for my order flow group, that's on Thursday. I think this is week 13. I could be wrong. I will send out that link today. Okay? Look for it by the end of the day. And I